There's no padding in anything my mother says.
मसाबा की माँ का play तो मुझे करना पड़ेगा. मतलब I could have not done it.
I remember on day 1 of shooting Masaba also she said, कितना बुरा कर रही है. ये पंगा हो जाएगा, वो पंगा हो जाएगा, मेरे पेट का पंगा हो गया, मेरे गले का पंगा हो गया.
I haven't met her for 5 months, so I don't.
She's forgotten her own child.
You
Mama.
Sorry, but this spelling mistake है.
Masaba Nina Gupta, are you ready?
Accepted.
Masaba Nina Gupta, welcome to my little show called Challenge Accepted. It makes my day when I have to sit and chat with ballsy, fierce, independent women who know what they want. So who better than the two of you to sort of hang out with me today? Masaba, yaar, I've known you for a few years now, but what are these hidden talents you keep pulling out of your hat, yeah? I mean, you go from designer, then you're making makeup, then you're doing jewelry, then you're, I don't know, you're just doing everything, and now you're acting also.
You know, I have been wanting to do this for a really long time. Like, this is one of those things, no, where someone tells you you can't do something and you're like, I'm going to do it anyway. You know, it's like, it's that kida. So I think that's the case with this. But I think in general, you know, when I was growing up, there was this thing in the air about people that, you know, you should do one thing, and you should do you should, you know, master one thing or master one profession, you know. But I really believe that if somebody has it in them to explore different things, then why not, you know? Yeah. And I think we are not, I mean, why are we being slaves to ourselves? If we have other interests, if we have other hobbies, which are passions, which can become a source of livelihood in some way or the other, then why not, you know? I really want to do more. Like, I want to do so many more things because I don't want to limit myself. I think I'm young and I have such a long way to go. So,
but you know, Nina ma'am, do you remember the first time you saw Masaba act? Like on this show, was it before this? When was the first time you saw her act and you were like, oh, okay, you know, I didn't know that she had this talent and here she is acting.
When we did the readings of the script, then I realized that kar legi ladki. Okay. And then while shooting scenes with me, I really liked what she was doing. And that was the second phase. The third phase was when I saw the edited version, and I couldn't believe how good she was. I mean, I was not expecting it. And I said, अब तो ये लड़की हाथ से निकल गई. क्योंकि अब तो इसको चस्का लग जाएगा, because I hope that people would like it. But yeah, I was very impressed by her acting. Very impressed. Generally, I am very critical of her, everything, all the work she does, how she behaves. I'm very critical, but this time I really like what she did.
You're a critical mom, huh? I would not have put you for, like, I would not have thought of you as a critical mom. I would have thought of you as like a really ja mere bacche jo karna hai karo type mom.
पूछ वो लड़की से पूछना.
हाँ पूछो बोलो लड़की.
Not at all.
लड़की बोलो.
Not at all. She is the most critical, and you know, she doesn't like, it's not like, acha, it's my child, you know, she might feel bad, so I must put a filter, you know, or make it a little softer for her. There's no padding. There's no padding in anything my mother says. It's all like out there. It's like a knife that cuts through you. So I think it started at a very young age. You know, when I was playing tennis professionally, I remember she said, "मतलब तुम नहीं बन सकती international tennis player. तुम मत कर, छोड़ दो, धूप में skin खराब हो रही है." That's what she'll say. Then she'll say, बहुत बुरा collection किया है, for like a collection that has been bad. Then she'll say, I remember on day 1 of shooting Masaba also she said, I was doing a scene with her, first dialogue, and she said, "कितना बुरा कर रही है?" And I was like,
no,
there's a set. There's a crew of 50 people on this set, and they're all listening. And she said that. But the reason why, I mean, I'm happy that she was so critical of everything that I've done is because I think it really saved me from becoming an asshole. You know, it really saved me from thinking that I'm capable of doing anything without working hard for it, or that, you know, she will put in 2 words for me somewhere and I will get this and I will get that. it was just that, you know what, if you want to do good work and you want to be noticed, then you go out and do it yourself.
And I can't think of anyone better to support you in this process than your mom. I mean, what a, like powerhouse you're learning from and putting it out there. But guys, I have a challenge for you. So the segment is called Challenge Accepted. And because I have a mother-daughter duo, I thought it'd be fun to put you guys on the spot and ask you questions about each other. And I want to see if you'll get the same answer or if you'll come up with different answers. Challenge accepted?
Accepted.
Super. Question number 1. Okay. Masaba, what is a word or a term that your mom frequently uses?
I have to think. I use so many terms.
Yeah, trust me.
एक कोई लिख लो जो अभी याद आ रहा है.
जो पहले आपको याद है.
Masaba has written panga. Neena ma'am, what have you written?
अरे यार.
दिखा दीजिए फ्रेम में क्या लिखा है आपने.
Put it in the frame. No, mom,
where?
frame.
Here, na?
No, this side. Center, mom.
Okay.
More center. अरे यार.
अच्छा. नीना मैम थोड़ा बड़ा लिखिए.
Yeah, ये किस? Why are you giving this to some child?
Okay.
Okay.
पंगा is her favorite thing. ये पंगा हो जाएगा, वो पंगा हो जाएगा, मेरे पेट का पंगा हो गया, मेरे गले का पंगा हो गया. You keep saying that.
Neena ma'am, who is Masaba's favorite musical artist? Someone whose music she listens to.
Mom, if you don't get this, then I'm up for adoption.
दो तीन है, अब मुझे नहीं पता. नाम भूल गई. 1 second. अरे यार, चलो मैं यही लिख रही हूँ. वैसे दूसरा नाम है पर वो मैं उसका नाम भूल गई. I know who she likes.
What does he look like? What does she look like?
No. Music या look wise? Music.
अरे music. हाँ.
Music. हाँ. Okay, ready? Beyonce.
Well done.
Oh, Rihanna and Beyonce.
I wrote Rihanna first.
She cancelled it.
It's okay.
Correct.
She said-
Both are fine.
She says she looks like Rihanna.
Yeah.
Rihanna Beyonce.
Desi
I
Rihanna.
don't say it, people tell me. Are you trolling me on this show?
Guys, Masaba says she looks like Rihanna. ये promo में डालना. Masaba thinks she looks like Rihanna. ये promo में डालना. Masaba, who is an actor that your mom finds hot or cute? Who does Neena Gupta find hot or cute?
I'm ready.
I'm also ready.
दिखा बहुत
I
मजा.
think this will be right.
Who have you written? Hrithik Roshan.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You written
Hrithik. Mama, Hrithik.
कोई बात नहीं, spelling mistake है.
Hrithik is the squash player, not Bhattacharya, but Hrithik.
Hrithik Roshan.
Hrithik Roshan.
ठीक है, okay, हाँ.
Both.
Then?
Okay, so, Neena ma'am, who is an actor that Masaba finds hot or cute?
Indian.
कोई भी.
Hot or cute. कौन से एक्टर है जरा बताना आजकल? Young.
Varun, Siddharth, Ranveer.
Okay.
She's got the answer from those four. You can't write one of those four if they're not.
No, never.
Done.
Wait.
She's taken this damn seriously, Neena ma'am. Like she's really putting thought into this. Okay, you've written Vicky Kaushal. Who have you written, ma'am?
She must have written
Ranveer
Ranveer
and
Singh.
Ayushmann.
I like them also, but I find Vicky cuter.
Very politically correct. I think Ranveer and Ayushmann are cute as well, but I think Vicky's cuter.
No, but I'm actually a huge fan of Ranveer's and Ayushmann's, like just the diversity in there, this thing. But I find Vicky like a cute boy as well. He's a good actor also. I should stop talking anyway. Okay.
Last question, guys.
Yeah.
Starting with Masaba, what is a habit of your mom's that you find extremely irritating? आप भी लिखिए. What do you think she finds irritating about you, Neena ma'am? Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, show me both of you. Hyperactive, screaming.
Same thing.
Same type.
How does your mom scream? What do you mean by she's constantly screaming?
She just has a very shrill voice. So then suddenly, like you know, it's like a high pitch shout across the room to like the kitchen or something, and she'll scream at something completely pointless, or like just like hyperactive. You know, when before like when you feel like you're in a car and it's gonna bang something constantly, that fear, and then she's like, so it's like those Pomeranian dogs. We used to have one who used to be like. I was like, why can't this dog be more base? Can he be more base for us? It's like that.
I love it. You've just compared your
I
mom
will
to
not
Indian dog.
comment. I will not say anything on this. I'll keep it to myself. I'll wait for another opportunity to say something.
But you can get back because my last question to you is exactly the same. What is a habit of Masaba's that you find irritating? Like really irritating.
All right.
She's gonna write 5 now, Masaba. Are you ready?
Oh wait,
No,
I
one only. I have written.
Masaba can't. You written
Masaba
Masaba?
to dikha?
Stressing out for no reason, for nothing. Stressing out for nothing. What have you written?
और बहुत छोटा है.
Mom, have you? Why have you
you?
cut? Why have you slit the paper?
Tone. Why? What is Masaba's tone like?
It's
Her
very
tone,
bad. sometimes.
mostly to me, not to other people, is very bad.
Yeah.
Like how?
It's like a bit like.
Like, मैंने फोन किया, हम बात करें. Okay, mom, I can't talk now. Please, can we talk later? Like that.
Like
Before
how-
that, I'll be having a perfectly normal conversation, like talking about something, but then suddenly something will irritate me about something else completely. I'll be like, no, mom, now I'm going. It's like that.
Wow,
So
that
it's rather
sounds like
sad.
almost all of us and how we talk to our parents, dude, makes us wonder. Yeah. But listen, guys, there were no points. But thank you for entertaining me with that very funny mother-daughter quiz. I can't wait to see your escapades on screen, and I hope the audience enjoys it as much as all the hard work that you guys have put into it. Best of luck, Masaba. Best of luck, Neena ma'am. And thank you so much for doing this.
Thank you so much. It was fun.
Thank you. It was fun. Thanks, Janice.